Hi friends, how are you all? This is Prachi Singh, one of the motivational trainers based out of India. How many of us actually accept being feminists? How many of us are validating the term feminism? We know that we don't want to because it is a very revolutionary term. It does not take into consideration the other side of the society that is males. I accept the fact that there have been so many rape cases. Men have been doing wrong. I accept that men are also involved in so much of domestic violence. Do we call it right? No. What is feminism all about? Suffered by so many people? Yes, I accept the fact that it is highly needed in the areas where women are not given their due rights, where women do not know that they have equal rights to education, where women do not know that they are not supposed to be beaten up by their husbands, where women do not know that they are supposed to voice their opinions when they have to be a part of a family. But if we are talking about an equal society where women are educated, where women are liberal, where women are smart enough, then why are we raising the flags of feminism? If we are doing so, then masculinism needs to come in the picture too. There should be a concept that is called as masculinists. Why should it not exist? We have got problems in almost everything. Why is it so? See, I do not say that men are right. I do not say that men are doing everything great. I say that crime and injustice is not gender biased. It can be committed, it can be attempted by anyone. Men can be wrong, women can be wrong, anyone can be wrong. But what actually feminism is? Feminism is, as per the definition, the right to equality on the ground of the sexism, on the ground of sexism. The right to equality. But what equality do females talk about today? When we as females are achieving good promotional packages in corporates by illegitimate ways, when we are filing fake court cases on men when we do not get the things done our way, or when we are filing fake sexual harassment cases on men when we again are not finding the things happening our way. So, I am Prachi Singh. Being a female, I'm coming to all of you to bring into limelight the need to redefine women, the need to redefine feminism, the need to redefine the concept that talks about equality. Why do we as women need to be unjustified? We need to be equally responsible. We are mothers, we give birth. And when we give birth, we know how to nourish both of our children. Where a child can also be a male. And if the male grows out to be somebody who is just weeping, who is just crying because of the atrocities that we may also do on them, we need to open our eyes. We need to find out that it may also be our own mistake. Acknowledge the fact that we do not only have husbands and boyfriends and friends, we also have brothers and fathers. Marriage, people don't believe in marriage. Why? Because trust has been uplifted. Trust does not exist. Infidelity, cheating, multiple partner relationships, friends with benefits. Who has created this society? Why to blame men always? Are we not part of that society? Who are men mating? Obviously women of their choice. So are we as women not choosing to live life of our own choice, where that choice can be right or can be wrong? I'm not here to talk about the liberalism or talk about the stereotyped typicalities where a woman should live inside the house and under a roof. I'm not going to talk about that. I'm talking about the choices that we as women make. And if we have that power, we have that right to make the choices that can affect the life of anyone negatively, then why the concept of feminism? What is it giving us? The power to take undue advantage? Is this what feminism is giving us? Is a creation of nature. If she has the power which nature possesses, then she can have the power to destroy and construct the entire world. A woman is pitting against a woman. Who is teaching a woman to be submissive? A woman in the house? Who is teaching a man to plot against a woman. Most of the times it is a woman. In my book, I talk about the fact that feminism should be first of all about the equality of women with a woman. If women will hold hands, they will never be able to suffer from any person or any gender they keep blaming all the time. So we as women need to respect women. Yes, there are certain changes which we need to make in ourselves. So it is high time we understand that feminism is not a provision for committing any injustice to anyone. Feminism should be a ray of hope. So in my book, I'm going to talk about the effect of feminism on marriage, on sexuality, on liberty, on ambition, on several other things. How do we need to redefine education to be more aware what feminism is all about, what should be feminism, how feminism needs to take a proper shape. So in this book, I request all of you to at least find out what all I have mentioned here based out of my research, to understand that equality, justice and humanity is of the utmost importance, and this is what we really need to achieve in today's era, and accept that feminism needs to be redefined. It needs to be reshaped. Thank you.